My child can decode the words, but they have no idea what they just read. Is that still dyslexia? This is a common question I'm asked by the parent. Have you come across a situation like this where you ask the child to read, like the cat sat on a rat and the cat moved the mat and the mat, blah, blah, blah. Now the child is able to read all this, but at the end, when you ask them, did you understand what is the story about? What did you understand from the story? And what is the answer that you get? The child looks at you with a blank face as though the child just read a foreign language, or just look at you as the question that you asked was absolutely not comprehensible to the child. And you are worried saying, hey, you just read it now. How come you don't understand what you read? Yes, this is exactly what happens in dyslexia. Sometimes the child is able to read, but the comprehension area has not worked because in a normal brain condition, when you and me make an effort to read, we only use about 5 to 10% of our brain to read. Rest of the 90% is on automation to comprehend what we read. But in a case with dyslexia, 90% of their brain is working so hard, so sincerely to read each and every word that they are struggling to read. Hence, there is no energy left to finally comprehend what they read. So although they're making a lot of effort, the results is less, no comprehension, you are disappointed, you get agitated. As a parent, you feel my child is falling behind. How can I work on this like this? So first of all, understand the child is making effort. So do not blame, do not complain, do not shout, do not humiliate. Help your child. Once the child develops reading fluency, you can work on reading comprehension. You can use more pictures, images, drawings, diagrams to help your child to comprehend it. But do not get disappointed. The more you start working on your child on reading fluency, your child is going to gain confidence in reading. And once they gain confidence, basically what is confidence? The wiring of their brain, because their brain is wired differently. The neurological pathways get excited, the ability to read improves, and then when the fluency improves, comprehension will also automatically start working. To support your child, do not misunderstand a child who has reading difficulty. Say the child cannot read the science chapter or the social chapter, what you generally do is just explain. And you think the child is understood. Yes, the child will understand because the child is intelligent. The child can understand things that's happening around him. The child can understand a video game or a TV program or something else that the child is seeing because the IQ is normal. But when it comes to reading, the child is making 3 times, 5 times more effort, because of which the brain gets exhausted. So do short reading. Do not do long readings and tearful reading and anger in reading. Just do short 15-minute reading, give a 5-minute gap so the brain battery can recharge itself to get ready for the next set of reading. Hi, this is Bala Saraswati. I'm an early remedial coach on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems by helping parents and teachers. If you are a parent who is looking for help for your child, please like this video, share this video with another parent, subscribe to our channel, and yes, don't forget to click the links where you can connect with us. We will be happy to help you. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.